Mercs are proudly sponsored by Airsoft Extreme, eHobbyAsia, GoPro Camera, CQB City, Alakdan Airsoft, and Airsoft Battlegrounds, and made possible by viewers like you.
In alliance with Civilian Tactical Airsoft Squad and Wolfpack Special Tactics.
How's it going, lady? He's out, he's out. Watch out. Take him out. I'm a nice ass big target, baby, right here. Come on, baby. Turtle bears off for you. Heads up, heads up. They're all on left. Get back, get back. I don't even want to go there yet. Woo! He almost got me. He's good at me, Rafi. I'm just in the hut.
The nibs are gonna just spray.
Yep.
Are you on? There?
Oh, cool. Incendiary ammo.
Incendiary.
Oh my god, watch out.
Oh my god, Olympic firing! Dude, light him up! Oh, I can't go this way, I'm dead!
Oh! Change back, change back!
Change back, change back! Got that guy.
Yeah. Change back!
I think he moved up a little bit.
Are you kidding me?
Keep at it.
Wow, this cardboard does magic.
I know. He's shooting this way.
Oh my god, that's super
Four. I don't like that spot.
I wouldn't either.
That spot hurts.
Yeah, it does.
I really got shot there a lot of times. No, but we were watching because they're coming up that way.
Take it back!
I don't know what's going on this side. This is hard right here. Whoa!
What you said? There you go. Woo, buddy! Give me cover. Take it up and down.
Oh, yeah!
Wow, buddy!
Wow!
I love it!
Oh! Dude, I was just about to shoot your ass. I got sidetracked over here. Oh my god. Back.
Sorry. Take it back. We got one in the corner there. Fire hit, man. I know I got you. Take it out. On 3.
Ah, screw this. Get back.
Look at the way he was shooting like this. He didn't even hit me.
Jesus Christ.
Feels good, man. Baby! My friend. Tell him. Oh, what? No, wrong time. Wrong team. This is supposed to be here. Say.
You sneaky.
Say. Bang, bang.
Ricochet.
Someone got their lights on you. Put it back, my back. Yep. There's like 3 or 4 guys all right there. Are there guys over there too? There's no, he's down. You can look out if you want. He's right behind that, right there, that cover, Steve. No, you can look out. He's not there. There's a guy coming. Don't shoot him. You want to rush in there, or? Move back. move back. Dude, you moved out just in time.